Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The camper also comes with a DSG automatic gearbox as well as the 4MOTION 4-wheel drive system. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Fortana red. Across the front of the vehicle we will find LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors along with front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, this California sits on the 18-inch Palmerston alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design as well as being finished in a black and silver colour. This California Ocean of course comes with the electro-hydraulic operated pop-up roof. Another nice addition is this roll-out awning finished with a black coloured housing. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate now and into some of the features towards the rear of the vehicle. Plenty of storage space for all your luggage and other items. The multi-flex board can be lifted up, allowing larger items to be stored in the rear area as well. Over on the left hand side we'll find a storage cupboard. 3 shelves here. The bottom shelf can be removed to access the gas bottle storage, and on the outside we have the outlet for the rear outdoor shower. Joining me in the back of the California we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench. This rear bench is finished in the Art Bellers seat trim covers, which consists of leather and Alcantara combination. Underneath the seat we have a drawer for some more storage, and the California comes with everything you might need on your camping trip away, including a fridge/cool box, a twin hob burner, and also right over on the end we have a sink with a foldable tap. Up front in the driver's cab we have 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. Like the rear passenger bench, these seats are also finished in the Art Veloz upholstery. Plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, and in the forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash we have an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as utilise the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This camper features 2 front heated seats, climatic air conditioning, as well as a dual zone climate control system. Further down to the left we have a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the road. And the driver of course has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel along with a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.